What's up, my Pungios? This is finally the ShiftCam leather case with the attachment here for the ShiftCam lenses here for the iPhone 15 Pro. Really excited to finally be able to review this case because I've been meaning to pull out these lenses, but now I have this in the hand and we're gonna go ahead and show it off to you. What's great here is the leather case is made out of genuine vegan leather. It's got a seamless lens mounting experience, which allows you to level up your content creation, Instagram stories, TikTok, and YouTube. What's great is they use aerospace aluminum for their mounting system and their buttons. They have MagSafe compatibility built into it. It uses vegan leather and it's designed to fit all ShiftCam lenses. Before we jump into it though, I have to let you know that this channel is sponsored from our sponsor Andar. They make genuine leather goods here, full grain leather here, wallets, bags, cases, you name it. At the end of the video here, we'll have a spot to get yourself an exclusive coupon for your first order. Let's go and unbox this and show you what you're getting yourself into. As you can see here, the case is really simple to be able to unbox. Pulling it out here, I really like their demonstration and their vibe. It's really cool. They have a lot of really good art and photography here. And here's the case. There it is. First look, as you can see, it's made out of vegan leather, which is really cool. They have this TPU material around the edge that's going to give you nice insulation and protection. They've got the aerospace aluminum here for your lens sets. On the inside, microfiber material and MagSafe. It's fantastic. Placing the phone in the case for the first time is very simple. You just go ahead and place it there from the bottom to the top. I've got a screen protector here, and what's nice is the case itself grabs around the bezel, but not so much that it's gonna hit against your screen protector. I really like that. Around the edges here, you can see that anodized aerospace aluminum, which is nice and clicky. You've got your action button as well as all of the volume rocker. Around the edges here, it's made out of that TPU material that acts as insulation for that military drop grade protection. Punch outs here for your I/O and speakers. On the back side here, you've got that vegan leather that looks really nice to the touch and to the hand. It's really sleek. It's kind of a blue. Then you got the lens mount here, which is really nice and robust. Before we jump into the lenses here, I wanted to show off the ShiftCam SnapGrip here. I opted in the same color that they use here for the case. It's really sleek. They've got a MagSafe here on the back side, so if you just wanted to run and gun here, you've got a nice shutter as well as a charger. It's a 5,000 milliamp battery that pushes 5 watts, which is nice, giving you MagSafe charging. With that said, I have their lens ultra set. A bunch of them here are my favorites. As you can see, we've got the filter mount, which can fit right on top of a lens. It can fit right into the socket. I've got the anamorphic. The filters can also screw into the lens itself if you just take off this ring. It's really nice and sleek. Here's their wide. We're gonna place the wide on the wide lens. It just fits super snug. I really love that. One of my favorite looks here. Content creation's fantastic. Throw the ShiftCam SnapGrip and you've got yourself an awesome rig to be able to content create, shoot vlogs, run and gun, all that good stuff. One thing about it here is there is a tight threshold, so if you wanted to add those extra accessories, you're going to be hard pressed to, so you probably won't be able to. If you added something like the anamorphic, you might be able to have a better shot here. No, it's still pretty tight. You can see that it does kind of bump into it there. My favorite lens is the 60mm 2x tele here. Add that to the wide. You can add that to the 3x if you wanted. It's going to make for really nice content. Okay, we're here on location with the iPhone 15 Pro ShiftCam leather case with the ability to use some of their lenses. This is the 2x tele 60mm. We're gonna throw on the ShiftCam SnapGrip. It is a little bit too big, as you can see. It's not gonna be able to make it all the way there, but let's go ahead now and shoot with the shutter button as well as the MagSafe charging battery bank. I got a bunch of other different lenses here that we can throw on. Let's jump into this. We got the 2x tele here, 60mm. As you can see, it's punched in. I can go 2 more X to give you that native look. Oh, that looks so good with the blur in the background. You can see the bokeh of my lights there as well. That's really cool. It looks really good and clean on the 1x wide. I can go ahead and zoom in to the 9x. The 2x tele is giving you an 18 zoom. I like that. We got a much wide angle here. I really like that. You can still kind of punch into the subjects as you please while still maintaining that nice focal length. You can punch into 2x here. and get almost my whole house in view. Really nice. Zoom up on this light. Show you it blurs the back as it shifts to a good focus. I like that. You can still zoom in if you want. Looks great. It's able to shine in the sun. Selfie shot is great as well. I like that. If I turn it now into the sun, you get a really cool flare. You can punch into it. Fine tweak it a little bit. That looks great. It's really wide, getting almost the full length of my fence. Get the entire tree and the side yard. This should be able to get, oh wow, that's like the whole length of my yard. Dang. You're getting that flare off of the reflection, which is cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a selfie shot. That's kind of fun. Andar in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Andar features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the camel tan, this is great here to be able to level up. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Andar sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. 15% off your first order. Use Tech Influence down below on andar.com. It is my everyday carry. With that said, the ShiftCam Pro Grip as well as the lenses here are my go-to for content creation. Like I demonstrated here, it's a no-brainer if you want to get really crisp glass to be able to complement the incredible computation photography here on the iPhone. With that said, I'll have all the links to these products down below in the description, including the promotion for our channel sponsor. This is Andy with Tech Influence. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.